What's up, my vaping brothers and sisters? Dan the Man here. Do not fear, because I'm going to bring to you some cheap vaping gear. That just came to me just now. I had something totally different set up. Check it out. I acquired the Aspire Speeder for $26, including shipping, from 8vape.com. They've got the best clearance items I've ever seen. You know how most people, you know what, we won't even go there. Let me show you some of the features of it. It's a great beater mod. I wouldn't have spent, what were they asking for it? $60 when it first came out? I'm glad that I didn't do that. $26 I'll gladly spend, and I'll do it again because it's a decent little mod. Now, I wasn't going to do a close-up, but I do want to show you all some features, okay? And if I can do it without blocking things, is it gonna? Oh, you stinker. Alright, well, it's aggravating me. Anywho, press the. You know what? Forget it. Let me show you one thing I do like about this mod, though. My very favorite feature, to be honest. Alright, check it out. Look at the watts. There is no point poo-poo increments. Tell me how many of y'all like that. I know I do. Love the shiznit out of it. Alright, I ain't got my teeth in. It cracks me up. That face right there cracks me the fuck up. Alright, quit cussing. All of a sudden you start cussing when you get on video? You darn nutball. Alright, let me push the fire button and the up button at the same time. Alright, you see the watts turned white. You go through it and you got voltage, wattage, voltage, bypass. That CPS right there, that thing sucks. I mean, you can try it if you want. The temp control works fairly well. Nickel, titanium, stainless steel. It's got a TCR mode. And back to wattage. One of the things I like about this mod is the battery life. It works wonderfully. I'm sorry. It lasts a pretty good while. With this tank at 44 watts, it lasts me all day. And I'm almost done vaping, and you can see where my battery life is. I don't normally vape out of tanks, but for the review, for the purpose of this review. Okay, now check it out. Really, I want to show you the Aspire. I like it. It's a beautiful beater mod. For you beginners, it might make the perfect beginning, your very first wattage device instead of a mouth to lung, right? All right, let me check some stuff out. Look, they've got the Wismec Predator for $21.95. I would buy it just because that. Now listen to this. The Wismec RX 200, $22.95. Now look, that's the only mod I've ever owned that lasted longer than a year. 2 years it lasted, and I dropped it down a flight of stairs, and it still kept kicking. I had to get rid of one of the batteries from that mishap. Mishap. I'm a clumsy bum. That's what the mishap is. All right, now I can't see myself. Don't you guys think I should see myself? Ooh, check it out. The Whatafo recurve squonk, $25. I want it, but I don't. You know, I'm kind of broke at the moment. If I had money though, I'd be picking up all of these. Yeah, there's Ooh, the IPVD4, which I've been wanting. That one's 40 bucks. Not sure I would pay 40 bucks for it. But you get the drift. Head on over. I'm going to leave a link. You won't be disappointed, man. They have spectacular customer service, awesome prices, fast delivery. Hold on, the ghost of our house is trying to get my attention. He's gonna have to hold on a second because I'm almost done. But we do have a ghost. His name is Keegan. Hush, ghost, hush. All right, this is Dan the Man signing out. Peace. Okay, so I paused it to take care of that ghost problem. And you know what, though? We really do have a ghost, man. I should try to videotape it. Anywho, I should have showed you the battery. It's one of these bottom hinged doors, which I absolutely despise. No, the negative and positive, clearly marked. I believe you can see down on, yeah, you can see it on the inside too, if you can see that. I don't know if you can or not. Anywho, it's my story and I'm sticking to it. I haven't taken this one apart yet. I take apart almost everything. The problem is when I can't get it back together. But, I mean, you know what? $26 total, shipped to me, shipped. Did my voice just raise like a whole octave? That's a possibility. Uh-oh. What's going on? Okay. Oh, you guys get to see me in action. I probably put the batteries in wrong, and I did. Okay. Positive, negative, positive, negative. Bammo, whammo, thank you, mammo. All right, we're getting crazy. It's getting crazy in here. It doesn't show the volts only until you hit the button, which really annoys me. Come on, people. Manufacturers, can't the volts be visible the whole time? It's not like I can shoot. I mean, what the hell? Oh, what the HE double hockey sticks is what I meant to say. And it even shows the amps right there. Oh, and it's unlocked. Oh, and also it flips, which is cool. But the fire button doesn't change, or the up button doesn't change. So this is the down button, right? And if I flip it, it's still the down button. Now, some people say that the button should change, but why? Okay, so if this, I'm an idiot. Okay, that's the up button, and I flip it, that's still the up button, right? Anyway, you know what I'm saying. All right, this is, have I mentioned $26 that I paid for this total? And did I mention all the other stuff they're selling, like for super duper cheapo? I mean, inexpensive? All right. I'm signing out now, brothers and sisters. This is Dan the Man signing out. Peace.